Video, my sister hasn't seen my dolls.
Ew.
And I'm hearing Creston.
Ew.
I'm hearing Creston and I brought, not that, oh sorry. No, I forgot, that was, Lena brought that for the kids.
Ew, ew, ew.
Careful! That's Century. So this is how what my sister thinks of my babies. This is Century.
Ew.
You don't like that one? She has real human hair.
Oh, it's not even totally. It's just creepy.
It's not a silicone one. But what do you think? Do you think it looks real?
Yeah, it's scary real.
Really? Okay, now
Not
check out the other
spotty.
one.
Ew.
That one looks like me.
It does not.
When I was a little baby.
This is ugly. This doesn't look anything like you did.
When I was
Look
a
at
baby.
its hair.
She's grumpy. So this is a yay or a nay?
Nay.
Anyways, this was a reaction, my sister's reaction. Look how much she loves the dolls. I can't wait to show her silicone ones one day. Anyways, thank you for your reaction. Thank you.